Raymond Temple. I'm Miss Jacobson. We have had a tradition at Raymond Temple for our sing-along and during this holiday season of doing something called the Reindeer Hunt. I was thinking about it today, and I think it might have started about 50 years ago. Miss Smith, an amazing first grade teacher, started this tradition with her first graders. And then when she retired, I continued the tradition. I think I've been doing it about 15 years maybe. It seems like I always make a mistake. But it's okay. Let me explain what will happen. I'm going to be telling you a story about Santa. And Santa will have a problem, and you will find out what that is. Santa will have to go try to fix his problem, but he's going to have to do a few things. So if Santa needs to put on his hat, I will put on his hat, and you also need to repeat after me. Put on your hat. And then you say that, and you do it. He's going to do a lot of crazy things. I hope you can keep up. Many times I make a mistake, but I'm going to do it anyway. So here we go, Raymond Temple. Take a breath. It was Christmas Eve. Santa had his sleigh all ready to go. He just needed to put on his clothes and be on his way. Mrs. Santa walked over to the window, and she looked over and she said, "Santa, something terrible has happened. Someone left the corral gate open, and all the reindeer have escaped." Of course, Santa felt terrible. The children around the world would have no surprises Christmas morning. But Mrs. Santa said, "Santa, there's only one thing to do. You have got to go find those reindeer. Put on your coat. Put on your hat. Pull on your boots. Off we go. Open the door. Shut the door. Down the walk. Open the gate. Shut the gate. Stream ahead. But there's a bridge. Let's cross the bridge. Off the bridge. Tall grass ahead. Through the tall grass. Out of the grass. What's that? A yellow cloud? It's not a yellow cloud. It's butterflies with hiccups. Through the butterflies. Out of the butterflies. Still no reindeer. Let's climb a hill and look. Whew. Made it to the top. Do you see any reindeer? Where's Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen and Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen? And don't forget Rudolph. No reindeer. Let's run down the hill. Made it to the bottom. Oh no, crevasse ahead. That's a crack in the ground. Let's jump the crevasse. Back up. Run, jump. Made it. Oh. There's a pond, but it's frozen. Let's skate across. Off the pond. Oh no, deep snow. Put on your snowshoes. Oof, oof. through the snow, out of the snow. Another stream, but there's no bridge, through the mud, out of the mud. Still no reindeer. Let's climb a tree and look. Up the trunk, out on the limb. Do you see any reindeer? No, but I see a cave. Let's investigate. Off the limb, down the trunk. Oh, it's dark in here. And cold. And clammy. What's this? It's kind of fuzzy and furry. Let's light a match. Ah! A polar bear! Up the trunk, out on the limb, down the trunk, through the mud, out of the mud, through the snow, out of the snow, across the pond, off the pond, jump the crevasse, up the hill, down the hill, through the butterflies, out of the butterflies, through the grass, out of the grass, across the bridge, off the bridge, open the gate, shut the gate, open the door, shut the door. Santa was so upset. He had not found the reindeer. The children would have no presents on Christmas Eve. Mrs. Santa walked over to the window and she said, Santa, excuse me, not only did the polar bear scare you home, the polar bear scared all the reindeer home. There's Dasher, there's Dancer, there's Prancer, there's Vixen, there's Comet, there's Cupid, there's Donner, there's Blitzen, and Santa, don't forget Rudolph. Oh, thank you, boys and girls. I so enjoyed doing that for you again this year in 2020. I hope 2021 finds us all safe and healthy and have a wonderful rest of the school year. I miss you all, Raymond Temple. Hope to see you soon. Bye.